Hello, welcome to my channel, Supercar Sunday. So today I wanted to do something a bit different. I need a light for a BMW X1 that I'm repairing for a customer. Here's the X1, you can just see a bit of it here. I'm in a bit of a tight space, so I can't really show it properly, but it was in a front end collision, damaging the light. It actually damaged down the side as well. I've now repaired the side of the car. So we come to the light as we build the vehicle back up. So obviously this is the old light. Something's gone underneath the car, fired up, smashed into the back of the headlight and obliterated the headlight from behind. Quite unusual, but it's happened. So the glass of the headlight, this front piece here, this was okay, so I carefully heated it up and peeled it away from the debris that we've got behind. And I found this headlight on eBay. It had no lens on it, so it was quite a bit cheaper. It was actually half the price with no lens. So I thought if I can remove this lens off this obliterated light unit, I'd be able to put it on to here. So I tried to remove it first. So I've got it off successfully. This is off a facelift model, and we worked out the difference is this piece here. So that's white. So I'm going to remove that out of there, and I'm going to fit it onto this piece here, and then I'm going to put the lens. I'm going to glue the lens onto the front of that light unit. So I've cleaned that up now. I've got all the sealer out from around the groove where the lens fastens on. Next, I'm going to swap these over. So we'll put that on there. Put that in first. So I've got everything all swapped over now. I've got this all cleaned out right round. It's got the correct piece on there that I need on. The older one was, the silver one was for the facelift model, and the white one is for the older one, which is the unit that I need for this particular car. So now I'm going to put sealer around the outside here, and I'm going to fit the lens. So that's gone on there a treat. I'm just going to put some tape around it to hold it in various places. So that's the lens fitted to that light unit, and I've changed it from the facelift model back to the first model that I need. So I'm going to leave that to dry and then it'll be ready to fit to the vehicle. So that's my video for today, something a bit different. I hope it helps someone. Remember to like and subscribe, and again, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be donating £100 of my own money to the Macmillan Cancer Fund. The next video I'll be doing will be progress on the BMW E30 project. Thanks for watching.